He's just a big lap puppy. Look at this. You're a good boy. Wow. Wow. Yes. Alright, as you saw in those clips, I'm with Kyla. She's a dog trainer. And she has beautiful and handsome Con. He's literally the prettiest Doberman pinscher I've ever seen. But he's so good, dude. This is what dog training is supposed to be like. And this is how dogs are supposed to act. So if you don't see a good dog, like, get them into some training. I'm gonna link Kyla's stuff down below if anyone else in Oregon wants to have their dog trained by her. She's a really amazing and she has years and years of experience. So it's really cool to see it all in action with a stranger's dog. We got doggo number 2. Her name is Kyla. She's a Malamute. Ooh, she's a challenge, huh? She's got a short attention span. Oh. Oh yeah, that's right. She's only 6 months old and look how freaking big she is. Oh, oh, dude, she's totally Ponyo. How cute. And her tail. Dude, when we first walked in here, she shit all over the floor twice. So that was fun for Kyla. Luckily, one of the stores near us had a little cleanup caddy, I guess. It had paper towels and some wet wipes, so thankfully they were there. Otherwise, it would have been a stinky mess. Oh, she's lazy, just like Ponyo. Look at that half-ass sit. I can't believe she's only 6 months old. She's so good. I wish I would have caught that on film, but I came home from hanging out with Kyla, and of course the doggos were all over me and I smell like them, right? Well, Ponyo just sniffed me and then literally went to go lay down. She's pissed with me! She's so jealous sometimes. Ponyo, it's okay, you. Look at her. What, are you mad at me? Yes, don't be mad. You're my baby. Yes. You're good, I know. Yes, that's a big baby. Just, I love you. I love you. Wow. This is her favorite thing in the whole world, is having big face rubs. Isn't that right? Ooh, getting allergies, I see. You're such a good kid. Look, when she does that, that means she wants a face rub. Ooh. Whoa. You're just thick. I love you. Oh, more face rubs. Wow. Oh, yes. But yeah, it was super nice seeing Kyla. I haven't really gotten to hang out with anyone since all this moving stuff happened. So, yeah. I don't know what I'm going to be doing the rest of the time. I'm here by myself. Maybe I'll show you what the house looks like. It's pretty empty. So the kitchen is a disaster, but everything is pretty much moved out. This is me and Jonathan's first table from when we like literally first moved to Oregon. The rest of it's pretty bare. We got everything out of here. Oh, and I have a funny story about this whole situation. So, you know our white cat Bubby? I'll put a little picture right here if you don't know who he is. Yeah, so because we are in the process of moving, animals get very stressed out, and he is still like a baby, like he's almost 2, I think, or like a year and a half, 2. So he's still pretty young. He doesn't really like understand or like is experienced with the whole moving process yet. And that little dick shit and pissed all over our bed. So now our bed is ruined and I have to sleep on the couch and Jonathan gets to sleep on the sliver of bed that isn't ruined. So that's fun. And now we have to find a new bed. Lol mattress, if you want to sponsor me, that would be dope. Because I really actually do need a new bed. Otherwise, I'll be sleeping on an air mattress. Yay! Continuing the tour, this is Abby and Jacob's room, or what's left of it, I guess. They got their closet all cleaned out too. Our room is a freaking mess. Cool. Oh yeah, and our sheet completely ripped, so that's fun. And we got the bathroom. It's looking disastrous as well. Honestly, our house is gonna look like shit for a long ass time, let's be real. But yeah, they got all of their stuff out. Some of the shelves are kind of bare. That's mine. And let me show you the garage. Our light broke as well. There's just been one thing after another. Let me see if the plant light will be bright enough. We have this light set up. We had plants in here, so we kind of just use this light as like the garage light. But yeah, disastrous as well. But a cute thing that Abby found when she was cleaning up were me and Jonathan's little movie theater pictures, or those little photo booth pictures. We usually take these like in a movie theater. The black and white one we took when we like first started dating, when we were a fresh 16 years old. And then the second one, the one in the middle, I think that was when we like first moved to Oregon and we went to our first like state fair. And then the third one was when we went to Cali, I'm pretty sure, and we took that at the same movie theater that we took the first one in. So that's pretty cute. Little memory. Also, a side note, my ferret stole one of Ponyo's booties, and now she's gonna freaking get allergies again. So thanks a lot, Numa.
What do you have to say for yourself? Always stealing. You're a thief. Thief conducting business. Little stinky petter.
Actually, I think I'm gonna get her out. She hasn't really been out these last couple days because of the moving. What? Don't get jealous because I'm getting your little sis out. Come here, Noah. You love your little sis. Okay, don't get all up in her ass. Oh. Ooh, is this Numa? You say no. Yes. Okay, be on your little squibby way. Oh, don't get so jealous. Why are you so jealous, huh? What? Just because I saw other doggos today, you don't gotta get jealous. They're just friends. Do you want a snack? Do you want a snack? Yeah? I have to win back her love somehow, so I'm gonna give her a little sliver of chicken. Just a little one. You gotta do a couple tricks. Back up. Back up. Back up. Good kid. Can you... Hold up. Can you high five? Good kid. Can you spin? Good. Sit. Touch. Touch. Good kid. And say, I love you. Can you say I love you? Say, I love you. Good, baby. Wow, you're so good.